All right, yo, what up? It's GrindStar Games. Actually, let me see. Is my sound queued up? Yep, sound's queued up, so we're good. Anyways, this is the game, the current state of the game. Um, I've changed it up quite a bit and kept other parts of it. There's still a lot going on in the game that I've done and created that I still intend on using. Like for instance, the void out here is very much still in the game. I know the look of the game has changed on the inside, but now when you are outside, you can see there's like much more of a kind of a spooky what's going on type of vibe. And you can fall through this and die, etc. You you'll see where it's going, but well, you'll see it once the game comes out. But I'm just gonna give you a little walkthrough, show you what's going on. So here's the level, developing some stuff, sort of a liminal look here, kind of designing a style that I like to mess with, and I'll probably have evolution to the style as we move forward. But yeah, so I'm calling it Why Bother still is kind of up there as a placeholder text, but let's walk through it real quick just to show you what I've been working on. Alright, so same old thing, no voice anymore, but when you spawn in, you still have to agree to the terms. That has a lot to do with the story and what's going to happen in the story, or the story of the game. And yeah, so basically, welcome to Why Bother. Again, that's placeholder text. Controls WSAD, also known as WASD, space to jump, mouse to look, left click to shoot, so you have to pick up the item to shoot it, and then right click to lock the item. I'll show you what that is in a second if you don't know. E to interact, pick up, and release the item. R to zoom, and there is a sprint functionality as well. And press enter to gain control. So press enter and boom, we've got control. We still have our glowing objects in the game, but I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for yet. We also can pick up these other objects. Objects don't exactly have to glow in order to be picked up. Now, if I were to just release this, goodbye, see you later, into the void. But we can also pick up and freeze items, like I said in the instructions. Notice right there where it says pick up and release, but it also says right click to lock items. And then we can pick up said item and shoot it as well, bouncing it and catching it if we want, or missing the catch if we aren't doing too good. So let's try, oh, bounce that way over. Let's try it again. Caught it, yeah, because I'm good like that. What's up? Catch it, boom. Alright, so that's how it works. Then we got this room. This is the main menu area. I might add a little bit to it, but I think I might stick with this. We'll see. Not sure what I'm going to add still in here. Got this cool little button thing I made. Got some cool wallpaper texture, little rugs on the floor. I don't know how this landed almost perfect. Got nothing to see here. Sign, just messing with the player. Got these cool, not so cool really, but like fluorescent style lighting. So here, if you hit R on the keyboard, you can zoom. There's a zoom functionality as well. And then you can see if we hold shift, we can actually speed up our walk. So normal walk, speed up the walk. Also, aka running, but it's really just a faster, slightly faster than normal movement speed. Now, if we're playing through the game, obviously someone sees a hallway, they're probably going to pursue it. Hopefully, whatever happens, this is the beginning of the game. Here, we're going to mess with the player a little bit. Nothing to see here. Might have a voice. Still got to look at what I want to add there. And then they come back over here and boom, hit the button. First level. Fluorescent lighting. Not much going on in here. But there is a button. So we walk forward and we press it. Boom, second level. Now something's changing. Showing the player a little bit what's going on here. We could preemptively place this in here, making it harder to fall to our death per se, but we can also just jump over these. There is still a jump and a double jump, so you can definitely still jump over the gaps just like in any normal gameplay. Go up here, press E to, alright, something changed. The floor changed. Now we have to jump. Well, we don't have to, but technically we could do something like this where we could create like a bridge. which it's easier to create the bridge if you do it like this, where you hold it and then right click and then lower it, hold it, right click. You can create like a bridge across. And you could do that with these four and then do it again, or you could jump the area and boom, we're across. And there's no more levels. So right there, I need to make the next level. Game crashes without it, so I have to do that in order to actually progress further. So back into the game we go, and we hit enter. And I like these little smiley face things I made. But yeah, that's the game. I'll show you what it looks like out here. Whoop! And we die. Boom. Don't go down there. You don't want to fall into the void. That being said, the void isn't entirely deadly. And if you play the game, or when you play the game, you'll find out more about that. But for now, these holes that you start out with are very much deadly because there is nothing to grab outside or to walk on in these levels. I'm talking goofy right there, but basically, unless you have a way to get outside, or you found your way outside, or glitched your way outside in a way that is intended or maybe unintended, but you found something new, if you just fall through these holes, likelihood is you will pass on and be respawned at the level you are in. So be careful not to fall inside holes. And then yeah, that's where we're at so far. I gotta add more to it. Probably need to add some painting, some more sound effects. There is sound effects in the game. There's like walking sounds and jumping sounds. I still have that enemy from before. Not sure where I'm going to use him yet, but he's definitely still in the game. The happy hug guy, or the angry hug guy, scary hug guy, whatever. I don't know what he's called yet, but that's the state of the game right now. I hope you like it, and yeah, going for more of a liminal art style and in the void. And yeah, we'll see where it goes. I'm developing it right now, pushing it forward, pushing through, and I hope you liked it. Anyways, I'm bounce, gotta head out, but just wanted to give y'all a quick update on what's going on and where the game's at. Thanks for checking out the game, and make sure to check back often for new updates on where we're at and when the release is, and potentially supporting or help supporting the development of the game, etc., etc. And yeah, have a good one.